1953 Studebaker 2R11 pickup. Price $17,500. Location, Georgia. The 1953 Studebaker 2R11 pickup is a true representation of classic American utility, blended with timeless design. Finished in a striking Maui blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this vintage truck instantly captures attention with its unique character and nostalgic appeal. From the moment you see its iconic split windshield and smooth body lines, you know this is not just a truck. It's a piece of history. The heart of this pickup lies in its dependable inline-six engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. This combination delivers a raw and engaging driving experience that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. The Carter single-barrel carburetor keeps things simple yet efficient, while the upgraded air conditioning system adds a layer of comfort that makes this classic suitable for today's roads. The interior is both practical and charming, featuring a wide bench seat that offers plenty of room for comfortable cruising. Details like the glove compartment and aftermarket center console provide added functionality, while the inclusion of a Sony radio brings a modern touch to the vintage cabin. It's a perfect balance between preserving originality and enhancing everyday usability. The truck bed is where style meets function. Outfitted with beautifully stained custom wood panels, it elevates the truck's overall aesthetic while maintaining its utility. A large aluminum diamond plate toolbox offers secure storage, and the modern rear hitch makes it ready for hauling or weekend adventures. Whether you're heading to a car show or transporting gear, this pickup is built to handle it all. The Studebaker 2R series marked a significant evolution in pickup design, introducing a more streamlined and modern look compared to its predecessors. This 2R11 model carries that legacy forward, making it a standout choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Its combination of classic styling, reliable mechanics, and practical upgrades makes it a rare find in today's market. The 1953 Studebaker 2R11 pickup is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Whether you're a classic car collector or someone looking for a unique ride that turns heads everywhere, this truck delivers both charm and capability. With its attractive price point and well-maintained condition, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss.